In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a triangle on TradingView Mobile. We'll go from opening the app to placing a clean, adjustable triangle on your chart so you can highlight patterns and levels with confidence. First, open the TradingView Mobile app. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the chart you want to work on. If you need a specific market or time frame, set that now so your triangle ends up exactly where you plan to analyze. Next, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Charts. This brings the chart front and center with the main toolbar visible. For a clearer workspace, pinch to zoom and drag the chart until the price area you want to mark is in view. Now, tap the pencil icon at the bottom to open the drawing tools. From the menu that appears, choose Geometric Shapes. This groups the basic shapes together, making it quick to find what you need without cluttering the screen. Select Triangle. With Triangle active, tap and drag directly on the chart to draw it. Your initial touch sets one corner, and as you drag, you shape the size and angle. Lift your finger to place it. After placing, refine the triangle by dragging any of its three corner handles to line up with specific highs, lows, or trend points. If you need to move the entire shape, drag from the center until it sits exactly where you want. For visibility, adjust the style so the triangle stands out but doesn't block handles. Use the small style toolbar or settings to change the line thickness, color, and fill transparency. If you're happy with the placement, consider locking the triangle so it doesn't shift while you scroll or zoom. That's it. You open TradingView Mobile, went to Charts, tapped the pencil icon to access drawing tools, chose Geometric Shapes, selected Triangle, and placed it on the chart with a simple drag. Practice a couple of times, and drawing clear, accurate triangles on mobile will feel quick and natural.